Sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Hey, hey, Boozhoo! Welcome to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I'm here today with Mamengwa, the butterfly. How's it going? Oh, I'm pretty good. How are you? Oh, not too bad. Just been sitting around on the piano. Yeah, I've noticed you there. So today, Mamengwa. Let's see, what can we say about Mamengwa? Um, well, in the Anishinaabe way, Mamengwa is very sacred to us. She represents transformation. Mamengwa goes from a caterpillar into a butterfly. They also represent the time when things start to come alive again. In the spring when Mamengwa comes back, we know, hey, you know what? It's time to start over.
It's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we aren't quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid.
I wish I had something to read. Shampoo bottle or something. Hey, honey. Yeah, what is it, Grandma? Can you take me right to the store? Yeah, just a minute. You gonna be long? Am I gonna be long? No, I'm gonna be like normal human time. Na, 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 na. Mm, 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 mm. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, hey, Boozhoo. I was just sitting here and thinking about what I might want to say for the podcast. And then it came to me, sit, I've been. Then, like, let's say, what if you want to tell a bunch of people to sit? You'd say, a big, I've been, sit, a big, you people sit. Now let's say you want to say sit down, right? You'd say, nabadabin,
sit down. And then let's say you want to tell a whole bunch of people to sit down. You'd be like, hey, you people, nabba-dub big, sit down. You're causing a ruckus. Yeah, okay. I don't know, is this really a show? Maybe I should talk about culture. You know, the Anishinaabe people, we're a very private people. There are some things we only do in private. We don't even, make a podcast while we're doing it. Okay, well, tune in next week when the special word's going to be privacy, eh? Okay, let's see. Where's that toilet paper?
So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. Sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. It's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret. But one day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say, these were the golden days. One day when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say, this was the price I paid.
You know. So anyway, Mimengwa, butterfly, and that's our word for today. And you've been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Kigawa min, Minowa, hoa. Yeah. Amazing Mimengwa, how sweet